Okay, so, okay, I did not on the record. Yeah. Wow, very good. Very good. The answer reading. And also, okay, very good. Boy, very good. Okay, so we did not on the record. Just a minute. Okay, let's continue. I will give you more. Another example because I did not on the record. Okay, I will give you another example for this one. I will show you this one. So you can see, right? Okay, this one is, look at this one. So this one is winter. Winter hot. Winter is the coldest season of the year. Okay, who likes winter? You like winter? You like winter? Very cold. You like winter? Okay, winter is cold. Okay, let us check this one out. I want you first to look at this one. You know me, right? Cocomelon. Let's go.
Come on.
Winter. Okay, winter is cold and winter is cold. Okay? Winter is
หนูกลับมาแล้วแต่ว่าปัญหาอีกรอบอ่ะ
okay, and winter is cold.
ทางหา
You like winter?
Yeah.
Okay, winter clothes. You like to wear winter clothes? Okay, we need to wear like this. Mittens, you have this one? Are you wearing this one every winter?
Mittens.
Yes, you have to wear this one because this one, mittens can help us warm ourselves. Okay? And you also have to wear scarf. Okay. Bea, look at this one, Oi. And by Boa, Marine, where are you, Marine? Okay, this one is scarf. Okay. And what is this one?
Shorts.
What is this one?
Pants.
Pants. Okay, we are also wearing pants during winter because it is very cold. Okay, so you need to wear pants, and also you have to wear this one, air mask. Oh, yes, you have to wear this one to keep your ears warm. Okay, because winter is cold. And winter is cold. Okay, and you have to also wear this one. Gloves. Yes, you have to wear gloves during winter because it is very, very cold. Okay, gloves will help us warm our self. How about this one? Wool hat. Very good. Okay, Bea. Okay. Oh, Oi. Okay, you have to, okay, Oi. Okay, now let's go to this one. What is this? Sweater. Okay, you have to wear sweater during winter because it is very, very, very cold. Okay, so in order for you to not feel cold, you have to wear this one. Cold. Okay, cold. Can you answer this one? Can you answer first, Bea? Look at here, Bea. Can you identify already this one, the clothes for winter? Okay, okay, also by Boa, you have to answer. You also have to open your mouth. Only Papa is opening her mouth, right? Okay, how about this one? What is this? Boots. And Bea? What is this?
Boots.
Okay, by Boa, what is this?
Boots.
Okay, boots. By Boa?
Boots.
Okay, Oi, what is this, Oi? What is this, Oi? What is this one? What is this one, Oi? Oi, what is this? Boots. Okay, boots. Okay, very good. So you will wear this one during winter. Okay, boots. Okay, how about this one? What is this? Winter socks. Winter. Yes, winter socks. Okay, you need to wear this one during winter. Okay, socks can help us warm our body. Okay, now let's go to this one. Oh, this one is for the winter clothes. Okay, I think that is all. But I will share you for. Okay, we still have time. Okay, so prepare more this one. That is cold, right? That is cold season. Okay, so I will check here for hat. Okay, because our topic is still hat. Okay. No, not this one. Not this one. Okay.
Four seasons.
Yes, so we will talk, I will just share you about summer because summer is also hot. Okay, also summer is usually the warmest and the sunniest time of the year. Okay, so also this one. Okay, every summer the fruits and plants will grow fast. Okay, this one is during summer. Summer is cold, hot. Okay, and also the animals will grow stronger, faster and stronger. Okay, this one. So I will make a little bit quick. I will make a little bit quick. So because I need to go back for the other one because I did not on the record. Summer is very hot. Okay, summer is very hot.
เข็มยาวมาถึงเลข 9 เหรอ
Okay, and the temperature is so high. The temperature is so high. Okay, it will go to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and the land, look at this one, it will dry and crack. It will dry and crack because it is too hot. Okay, because it is too hot. So we have to go somewhere with colder air, right? So we need to go somewhere with colder air with the help of this electric fan. Yes. Are you ready, Papa? Go somewhere.
Go somewhere with cooler air.
Okay. Every summer we need to go somewhere with colder air because summer also is very hot, and we need to on our aircon. Our aircon can help us warm our house. Okay, and we have to drink plenty. We have to drink plenty. We have to drink cold liquid. Yes, you have to drink cold liquid during summer because it is very hot, and you need to
take a shower or take a bath.
Yes, you have to take a shower or you have to go to take a bath. Okay, you have to take a bath so you cannot feel so very hot. You need to take a bath to warm your body. And you have water plants. Okay, very good. So you are all very good. Papa, very good. You are following. All of you very good. Now I will go back a little bit. Okay, I will go back a little bit because I did not record that one.
มีคนมาเอายางรถจักรครับ2 เส้นเขาคุยกับหยิบปักแล้ว ใช่ครับ ยางรถจักร2 เส้น
Okay, we'll go back a little bit to this one. Okay, you are all very good, K3. Now let me go back to this one because this one. Okay, let me go back to this one because we did not record this one. Okay, I will go back to this one first. Again, to those who did not attend the Zoom class, this is what you are going to do, okay? Those who did not attend the Zoom class, this is what you are going to do because I forgot to on the record earlier. So I just go to this one. Okay, so this one, I will just go for that. To your worksheet, okay? So again, we are going to color hat color red and blue for the cold, right? Okay,
Yeah.
now let's do this again. For those who did not attend the Zoom class, in order for you to know how to answer this one, so I need to go back for this because I forgot to record the first lesson. This one. Okay, let's go. Yes, color.
อะไร
Color.
Blue.
Blue and ice is cold or hot? Is it cold or hot?
Gold.
Cold, yes. So all of you, can you answer? All of you, Papa, Marine. Papa, no, Papa is always answering. Also, by Boa, can you look at her first? Okay, candles. We will color this one again.
Red.
Red because candle says
Hot. Red.
good. We need to color this one color red because candle is hot. If it is hot, we need to color it color red. If it is cold, we color it color blue. For this one, we color this one color sun. Papa, we color the sun color red. Very good. Okay. Bea, we will color the sun color. What color, Bea?
Red.
Okay, red because sun is hot. Okay, again. Okay, now let's go to this one. Snowman. What color we're going to use this one? What color we're going to use this one? Huh? Marine? What color, Papa?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, we will color blue for cold. And this one, Papa?
Iron.
Iron. And we need to color this one color?
Red.
Red. Oh, can you answer this one, Oi? Okay, what we're going to color is, what is this one, Oi? What is this one? What is this one? Huh? I cannot tell you, Oi. You have to answer.
Hot.
Hot. And we color this one color?
Color red.
Color red. And by Boa? We need to call, what is this by Boa? You know what is this? What is this one by Boa?
Iron.
Iron. And we need to color this one color?
Red.
Because?
Hot.
Hot. Because iron is hot. And we will answer this one. Marine? What is this, Marine, again? Ice cream. Okay, ice cream, hot or cold?
Cold.
Cold. And we will color the ice cream color?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, Bea. Look at her, Bea. Very good, Marine. Okay, what is this, Bea? Ice cream. And is ice cream hot or cold?
Cold.
Cold. And we're going to color the ice cream color.
Blue.
Blue. Okay. Good. Very good. Very good, Bea. And who else? Who else is here? Papa, what is this, Papa?
ฟังครู
Ice cream.
Ice cream. And ice cream hot or cold? Ice
Cold.
cream is cold. And we're going to color
Blue.
blue. Yes. So that's it. Okay, so you are all very good. And for this one, we have one last example here. We have here an ice cream. We have here an coffee or tea. We color this one color.
Red.
For the hat color.
Red.
Red. Very good. And for the cold, we're going to color this one. Okay, this is an ice cream, and we're going to color
Blue.
blue. Okay, very good. Okay, so you understand already? Yes. So have you answered your worksheet already? Have you answered your worksheet already? Finished? Is everybody finished? Okay, so you're all very good, K3. You are all so smart. I am so happy and very proud of you all. Okay? So I want to say thank you to all of you for listening and for attending our Zoom class. So I'll see you again on Thursday, okay? Because tomorrow we don't have a class. So you have to enjoy your time tomorrow, okay, K3? And heart now. Thank you. Okay, Oi, Papa, my Boa, Bea, Mary, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ka. Okay, thank you. And I'll see you again on
Tuesday.
Thursday. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. I love you.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Say please and say thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye. Love you.
กูอยู่ตรงข้างหน้าบ้าน
Bye. Thank you.